This is tutorial 6-5 on page 231, and what we have to do first is open up the go to our maps folder and find tutorial 6-5, which is right here. And we want to go to the Manhattan bookmarks, which I think we're already on. And then we want to save this out in our exercises folder. And I've already got it there because I've done this before. And so we replace it. And then it wants us to take a look at the tables here, and basically we're looking at the tables just to see that there is no fire data. And the fire data starts with the word fire for the column heading, and we'll do a quick look there, and there's nothing there. But if I go to this one, open the attribute table, there's 4 columns there that have to do with fire data. So what we have is the fire companies are these black rectangles here, and then the streets are the gray lines in between. And what we want to do is we want to intersect those. So we want all of this, the intersection of all the streets with all of the fire companies. So let's go to our geoprocessing here and choose intersect, and we want to take the Manhattan streets and add that. And if you're going to intersect something, you need at least 2 things to intersect. And then the other thing is the fire companies. And we have to tell it where we want to put it, and we don't want to put it out there on my network drive. We want to put it in our chapter 6 GDB. Let's just make sure this is in the right place, and it is in my exercises chapter 6. Okay, so that's where I want to be. And then the name I want to give to it is Manhattan Streets Fire Companies. Click on save, and then down here this is supposed to be line, and click on OK, and it should create a new layer for us. Apparently this one does not give us the option of adding it, so what we're going to do is we're going to go out here and we're going to add it. And there it is. Click on add. And these are all the purple lines. I'm not sure about the error that occurred down here, but it looks like it, for the most part, it worked. This pretty much matches what we see on page 233. And if we go back here and examine this table now, and I think it's probably going to be added on the end over here. There we go. We have the fire company information. So we just have the streets now that are part of a fire company that are in Manhattan. And that takes us to the end of tutorial 6-5.